You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from Latin, as well as how to say more Latin expressions and more Latin vocabulary that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this is said as Ignoramus et Ignorabimus. Ignoramus et Ignorabimus. Now, in Latin, it would be said more as Ignoramus et Ignorabimus. Ignoramus et Ignorabimus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.